Are you building a career in finance and wondering what skills you really need to succeed in this field? Whether you are a CA, CMA, MBA or a finance graduate, the competition is tough and the expectations are high. Hi all, welcome to my channel InfoCraze. Today, let's decode the most essential finance skills you must acquire to thrive in this field. But that's not all. I will also reveal the top 5 technical skills that every employer is looking for. Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notification for my future videos. To begin with, let's look at the main categories of skills a finance professional needs to succeed in their career. These are technical and core finance skills, regulatory and compliance knowledge, analytical and quantitative skills, software proficiency. Then a finance professional also needs soft skills, business acumen, ethics and integrity, and continuous learning. Yes, finance is no longer just about numbers. It's a complete package. Let's now discuss on the first and most crucial one, technical skills. Let's review the list which contain the core finance skills. These are financial accounting, then we have financial statement analysis, then budgeting and forecasting. We also have financial reporting and MIS, valuation techniques, investment analysis, working capital management, corporate finance, auditing and internal controls, costing and management accounting, banking and NBFC operations, taxation, direct and indirect. Now, you might be wondering, with so many technical skills out there, where should I even begin? That's exactly why in this video, we are focusing on the 5 most important technical skills that every finance professional should master. These are the skills that form the core of most finance roles, from corporate accounting to financial planning, from audit firms to startups. Master this and you will have a strong foundation to build your career on. And don't worry, the rest of the skills we listed earlier, including compliance, analytics, software tools, and soft skills, will be covered in detail in upcoming videos on this channel. So let's start with the foundation of all finance work, financial accounting. What exactly is financial accounting? In simple terms, it's the process of recording, classifying, and summarizing a company's financial transactions to prepare key financial statements like the profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. These statements don't just reflect numbers, they tell the story of a company's performance and financial health. Now, depending on the company you work for, the applicable accounting standards may vary. If you are working for an Indian company, you will most likely be dealing with Indian accounting standards. But if you are in an MNC or a company that reports to a foreign parent, you may need to work with IFRS or even US GAAP, especially if the group is listed overseas. You should be able to prepare and interpret financial statements accurately, ensure books are compliant with the accounting principles, and support audits with clean documentation. Whether you are in accounting, audit, FP&A, or even operations, financial accounting is the language of business which you need to master. The second one is financial statement analysis. It's not just about making reports, it's about understanding and analyzing the data. Financial statement analysis is the process of interpreting a company's financial reports to assess its performance, profitability, and financial health. Can the company repay its debts? Is it earning enough on its investments? Is the business growing sustainably? These are the kinds of questions financial analysis helps you to answer. Whether you are in audit, banking, FP&A, or credit analysis, this skill is absolutely essential for making informed decisions and giving sound recommendations. The third one is budgeting and forecasting. Every business needs a plan, and that's where budgeting and forecasting come in. Budgeting is the process of setting financial targets for revenues, expenses, and profitability, usually for a financial year. It acts as a roadmap helping companies allocate resources wisely. Forecasting, on the other hand, is about predicting the future based on current trends, past data, and market conditions. It's more dynamic and often updated quarterly or monthly. Together, budgeting and forecasting help management make better financial decisions, control costs, and stay aligned with business goals. As a finance professional, you should know how to prepare budgets, update forecasts, and perform variance analysis, understanding why actual results differ from the planned numbers. These skills are especially critical in FP&A, corporate finance, and business strategy roles. The fourth one is auditing and internal controls. In today's regulatory environment, finance professionals must understand audit procedures, internal controls, and compliance standards. Whether you are working in a company or in a CA firm, audit readiness, risk identification, and process testing are crucial. This might cover statutory and internal audit readiness, SOX compliance for MNCs, testing and documenting internal controls, and handling audit queries and observations. The fifth one is financial reporting and MIS. It's not enough to prepare accounts. You need to convert raw data into insightful reports. That's where financial reporting and MIS come in. These are the tools that help management and global headquarters make informed decisions. It covers preparing monthly or quarterly financial reports, MIS dashboards and KPIs, working with consolidation tools like Hyperion, SAP BPC, etc., ensuring accuracy, timeliness, and compliance with global formats. Mastering these 5 skills will put you way ahead of the curve, whether you are applying for your first job or aiming for the CFO chair. Tell me in the comments which of these 5 technical skills do you already have and which one do you want to improve. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you find this video useful, please like the same and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for many such interesting videos. If you have any question, please put your query in the comment section. Thanks for watching.